Today we're going to be talking about how to use a third-party gateway on T-Mobile 5G home internet. Now this video is specifically for the NEXPRO 5G gateway that I just did a review video for, so if you haven't had a chance to check that out, there'll be a link up here for you guys. Now this gateway comes in two different firmwares. It comes in a Mesh Plus and a Wi-Fi X variant, and we are going to be talking specifically about the Mesh Plus model in this video. Now, in order to make this happen, we do have to revise or clone the IMEI number on the NEXPRO 5G gateway in order for it to get service for a T-Mobile home internet customer. Now, I did reach out to T-Mobile and I wanted to make sure that everything that we were doing was completely legal and that there weren't going to be any kind of ramifications to me or anybody viewing this video by doing this. They assured me that there would be no blacklisting, that nothing adverse would happen, and that they welcome third-party gateways. They don't have an issue with people revising or cloning their IMEI number, and the rep actually indicated that he thought that it was because of warranty purposes as to why they have the IMEIs locked down, because they can't really provide support for gateways that did not come from them. Now that we have all of that out of the way, you're going to need to write down the IMEI number off of the back of your T-Mobile home internet gateway. Once you have that done, we can hop on over to the computer and I will show you exactly what you need to do in the firmware. Now I did restore my gateway to factory defaults so that I could walk through this with you together as if I'd never done it before, so I could give you a precise step-by-step what you need to do. Moving over to the computer to get logged in, you will either go to islogin.com or 192.168.100.1. When you get to the login screen, it should look like this, and the default password is admin right out of the box as long as you haven't changed it. Once you're logged in, you will see the internet says cable unplugged. We don't have a cable unplugged, it's just not set up. So we will scroll down, and on the left-hand side, you're looking for AT command. And then from there, you're going to type in the IMEI number from the back of your T-Mobile home internet gateway into the box next to IMEI revise and select the edit button. This will send the AT command to change the IMEI number on your gateway. And as long as you see a message that looks like this and it says OK under it, you should be good to go. From here, we want to restart our gateway to make sure the changes take effect, and to do that, you just scroll down and under System, select the Maintenance tab, and then select the Restart button under Restart System and select OK. Once we've restarted and we get logged back in, you will see that the internet now says online and no longer says cable unplugged. But we still have one more thing we need to do. We need to configure our APN. And to do that, under 5G network on the left-hand side, select APN, and then scroll down to the APN list and select Add APN. From there, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine T-Mobile. And then the APN for T-Mobile home internet is fbb.home. You don't need to fill anything else out on this screen, and you just select Add. From there, we just need to select it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And then I'm going to restart my gateway one more time just to make sure the changes have taken effect. So we'll go back down to System and then Maintenance and then Restart System. And once that comes back online, we will make sure that the internet is working. And we just got restarted, and I just want to make sure that our APN is still selected. And it looks like it is. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and try and load a web page in a different tab. So I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel, and then I'm just picking a random video, and I just want to see if it's going to load. Now, sometimes when you first set these up and you configure the APN, you will experience some lag, or it just will seem like it's not working very well, but it will work itself out. It usually just takes like 20 minutes to a half an hour, and everything will iron itself out. And as you can see here, it looks like everything's working properly. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully everything went well going through all the steps in this video. If you had any issues, hit me up down in the comments. Let me know what's going on, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.